Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your BMW app. First, download the official BMW Connected Drive app from your device's app store. Next, confirm your BMW vehicle has an active Connected Drive subscription, which is essential for app functionality. Finally, gather your BMW ID login credentials, including your username and password, as you will need these to sign in and link your vehicle. This initial preparation ensures a smooth and quick setup. Once logged into the app, you'll need to add your vehicle. Locate the Add Vehicle option and input your car's unique 17-character vehicle identification number, or VIN. The app will then guide you through a confirmation process, often requiring you to accept the connection within your car's iDrive system or infotainment screen. This step securely links your smartphone to your BMW, unlocking a world of remote features. With your app connected, you can now enjoy a range of convenient features. Remotely lock or unlock your doors, check your fuel level, or even precondition the cabin temperature. You can also send navigation destinations directly to your car, saving time before you start your journey. If you encounter any issues, try restarting the app or verifying your vehicle has a strong data connection for optimal performance. To maximize your experience, delve into the app's advanced settings. Here, you can customize notifications for vehicle status, service reminders, and more, tailoring the app to your specific needs. Always keep your BMW app updated to ensure you have the newest features and the best security. And hey, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.